Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how can you farm unlimited airdrops using one laptop or one PC. I know lots of you watching my channel love airdrops. That's why in today's video I'm going to show you full tutorial how can you actually use proxies and Antidetect Browser, how to actually create multiple accounts and how to farm unlimited airdrops using one PC. So please guys, watch closely because if you learn how to do it, you can make unlimited money. So the first thing we will need is a really high quality proxy. And I mean really high quality because VPNs won't cut it. VPNs are easily detected and most of the platforms, games like airdrop platforms, DeFi platforms will detect you're using VPN, your account will get banned, and of course you just wasted your time. That's why you will need to find a quality proxy. For this video, I will show you my personal proxy provider. This is what I'm using personally and this is the highest quality proxies. I will show you also how can you check the quality and how to pick the best proxy. So today I'm going to be using NodeMaven proxies. Right now, in my opinion, this is the best option for the crypto airdrops because they have the cleanest proxies, which means it's almost impossible to detect them. So you can see on the main page, 95% of their IPs have clean record. And this is actually really big. If you used any proxies, I would say 40-20% is already good, but this project offers over 95, which is really, really great. And of course, if you have great proxy provider, your accounts will not get banned. Of course, this makes you more money. So you can see the main thing why I'm using this platform because they have the industry first IP filtering. Unlike other providers, NodeMaven uses advanced filtering algorithm to screen IPs in real time before assigning them, assuring you're getting only the best quality addresses. And guys, remember, this is really important. If you plan to do this, you have to pick out only the best proxies. If you find some cheap shit proxies, it won't work. By the way, if you use the link in description and code RICO, you're getting 2 GB for free. So let's log into our account. I will show you how it all works. So once you log in, you will see right here how much traffic you have left. They have different plans. For example, if you go to pricing, they have light, standard, enhanced, and premium. Of course, the bigger the plan you buy, the cheaper is the data. You can see right here, price per gigabyte. If you have business plans, even cheaper. But for example, if you buy standard 65 euros, it will cost you around 6.5 euros per gigabyte. And actually for this strategy, for this tutorial, you will not use that much data. So it's not going to be that expensive. But once you sign up using my link, you can use code RICO and this will give you 2 additional gigabytes for free. So use my link. Next up, we need to actually get the proxy. So let's click proxy setup. And this is where you can actually select all the settings. So you can actually select the country. For this example, I will leave it at random. Next up, we have sticky sessions and rotating. Sticky meaning that this IP will stick for 24 hours and rotating means with every login, the IP will change. So for this tutorial, I would recommend using sticky. By the way, NodeMaven has, again, really great sticky IPs. Next up, you can select the IP quality filter. I recommend you to do that because it's really important. And you can select protocol HTTP or SOCKS. So actually you can use both, but I will use HTTP for this example. Right here is really important information because we will use this information in our next step using Antidetect browsers. So for this example, let's go for, I don't know, like 40 IP addresses, 40 proxies, and right here we have our proxies generated. Next up, we can actually check if these proxies are as high as quality as they're promoting. For that, let's copy all of these proxies and let's jump into the Firefox. Firefox has this really great plugin called Proxy Checker. I'll actually have a link in description. You can actually check it. So let's click it. It will open this window. It's called Pixel Scan. So let's copy in our proxies. Let's click check proxies and this plugin will now check in our proxies and see how high of a quality they are. I actually did some tests before, of course, and you can see quality level high, risk score 1%. So you can see these proxies are insanely high rating. And you can actually test it out also with other proxies or VPN and we'll see how low of a score it will get. That's why it's really important to actually use high quality proxies like NodeMaven, because of course you're not wasting your time. It's also really cheap and it's also really easy to set up. Next up, we will need Antidetect Browser. Basically, Antidetect Browser will help us create unlimited accounts on one account or like create virtual machines. So if you jump in there, you can see right here, I'm using Go Login because in my opinion, Go Login is one of the best actually options to do that, because you can see they have different use cases. You can use it to create multiple social media accounts. You can use it for the web scraping, for the ad review. So you can see they have multiple use cases, but today we're going to use it to farm airdrops and to actually create multiple anonymous browsers on the same PC, and also you can create MetaMask wallets. If you open Go Login, you can see right now I have an enterprise account. Again, it costs like pretty cheap because you're getting a lot. So for example, we want to create our first browser with our first MetaMask wallet and start farming airdrops. To do that, you can actually click new profile, add profile, but I already have one example I did before doing this video to show you how to actually fill in this information. So once you click there, you will have all of these options. Again, let's open airdrop also right here. So we will have all of these options. I don't know where to put this window. So right here, you can actually put in your proxy. Next up, you use HTTP proxy because we used HTTP right here. Next up, we add our IP, which is going to be this host address, and we add our port. It's going to be 8080. After that, you're going to use your login, which is right here. You will have a different login than me, and you use your password. After that, you can click check proxy to see if it works. You're going to see what kind of IP you have, what's your location, and this is really important, and then you can save it. So this is going to be our one browser on this PC. You can see I have so many different examples on the same PC. Each of these buttons will have its own IP, its own browser, and its own MetaMask. So let's open this, our test browser. Let's run it. You can see test video. And right here, I have MetaMask I prepared. And actually, you can download MetaMask for this extension. And you can actually check my IP, for example, of this browser. What's my IP? I'm in Germany for this example. And you can see it will show I am in Germany. Yeah, my IP. And you can actually see I'm right here. So this is actually one of the best ways right now to actually farm airdrops, because you can create unlimited PCs on one PC. So you can create as many as you want. For example, if you're playing some kind of game, or like if you're farming some kind of airdrop for transactions, you can actually do it unlimited times. Just create new profile, fill in your proxy, put in your information, check if it works, and you can again do the same process, download MetaMask, connect the MetaMask, and farm the airdrops. I hope this tutorial helps. Again, I have all the links in the description. All the links have big discounts for all the software and the proxies I'm using. If you have any questions, I have a free Telegram group. It's in the description. You can ask me questions. I will help you out. And also don't forget to subscribe for videos like this. And also we talk about different topics like tap to earn games and how to make money online. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.